Hey guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to talk about the OnePlus 6T. And I know it's a little bit late to talk about the OnePlus 6T, but better late than never. So without any further ado, let's move towards our video. So the OnePlus 6T has three variants, one with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal. The second one has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal. And the third one has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal. And the price starts from $549 and ends on $629. So now let's talk about the 5G connectivity of the OnePlus 6T. The OnePlus 6T has the capability to support 5G connectivity. And I have made a separate video about what 5G connectivity is. So if you want to watch that video, the link of that video is down in the description box of this video. Now let's talk about the in-screen fingerprint scanner of the OnePlus 6T. So according to OnePlus, it is the fastest in the world that will unlock your device in just 0.34 seconds. The in-screen fingerprint scanner used in the OnePlus 6T is made by Goodix. I have made a separate video about how the in-screen fingerprint scanner works, so if you want to watch that video, the link of the video is down in the description box of this video. So now let's talk about the screen of the OnePlus 6T. The OnePlus 6T features a 6.41-inch AMOLED panel with 2340 by 1080p resolution and an aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9. The pixel per inch density of the OnePlus 6T's screen is 402 ppi, whereas the brightness level is 600 nits. Furthermore, there are 5 calibration settings: default, adaptive mode, custom color, DCI-P3 and sRGB. And it has a smaller water drop notch and a smaller chin. So now let's talk about the colors. The OnePlus 6T has two color variants, Midnight Black and Mirror. So on the back of the OnePlus 6T, there are two sensors, 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel, which support OIS and EIS. OIS means optical image stability, whereas EIS means electrical image stability. If you want me to explain it, I can make a separate video about it. Now back to the cameras. So the back cameras of the OnePlus 6T have an aperture of f1.7 for both and can record 480fps slow-mo videos. So the low-light performance of the OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 6T has improved with respect to a new feature called Nightscape, which is 2 seconds faster than our normal night mode in any other mobile, and it cooks out better results than any other normal night mode. So the OnePlus 6T's portraits has also improved with respect to a new feature called Studio Lighting for professional portraits. What Studio Lighting does is that it gently highlights the facial features of a person and makes the portrait looks realistic. So the OnePlus 6T has a Snapdragon 845 in it, which makes it possible for the OnePlus 6T to support 5G connectivity. Now let's talk about the game experience of the OnePlus 6T, and for that a new feature is introduced called Smart Boost, which uses RAM as ROM, which means that it uses RAM instead of ROM to open apps, and OnePlus claims that it helps to improve the app opening speed by 20%. Now let's talk about the battery. So the battery capacity of the OnePlus 6T is 3700 mAh and it supports 5 volts 4 ampere fast charging. And now let's talk about another amazing feature, the full screen gesture 2.0, which is a new way to open recent apps. Okay guys, that is all for today. If you have any questions regarding any of the topics shown in this video, you can ask me in the comment section below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you can get notified about my future videos. Peace out. guys.